accessories are supposed to be nice accents to the vehicle that you have and make it your own, customize it, right? Usually accessories are relatively easy to install, and the less expensive they are, usually the easier they are to put in. I picked up a couple accessories for the TLX Type S, and I'll go over this in this video. I'll go over the cargo net and how to install it, the tools that you need. Surprisingly, it's not as straightforward as it used to be with a lot of cars. So let's dig into it and get going.
The directions are relatively straightforward, which is good, but there are some unique things within them that you'll need to make sure that you're prepared for. The plastic trim tool set is super handy. The rivet tool is something that I did not have access to, and we'll get into that later. But as you can see here, there's 6 of these normal plastic clips. Slide your plastic tool in there, they pop off, you go through the rest of these, and it's pretty straightforward. So you're going to pull up the weather stripping around the trunk and then slide these out from the sheet metal. And then out comes the panel. Moving on to the lower part of the trunk, you're just going to pull straight up, and these 6 clips release, and you are free to move on. More of the same. There's a couple more plastic clips to remove on the side. Once those are out, you can pull the lining back, and then you have access to finish off the rest of the job. So this is the Rivet Nut Tool. There's a lot of things online that you can find to be able to use this without the tool. And my friends at Acura even said it's not the best tool to use. I'll show you something different here. So this is a rivet tool gun. And essentially you're going to twist the rivet tool onto the gun, slide it up in the hole that we drilled out, and the sheet metal is basically going to act as the anchor. So the rivet, where it's not threaded, is going to crush on the other side of the sheet metal when he pulls down.
That easy.
That easy.
The lower anchors slide in like normal plastic clips. So the ringed portion pushes in, the centerpiece you slide in, which acts as an anchor inside the sheet or inside the plastic covering as well. And then go ahead and attach. So you don't use the first loop on the cargo net. There's 2 loops here. The smaller one you don't use, the bigger one is the one that you use, and you wrap it around the anchor point. What's really nice about the cargo net is it has a handle on it, so you can easily pull to put stuff in there. You can put things in front of it so they don't slide to the back of the trunk. You know, I think the cargo nets are really, really handy to have. They're relatively inexpensive too. So there you go, locked and loaded. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below.